Let's learn division formula. Let's divide 5 by 2. So 2 into 2, that is 4, and 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Now we can represent this division using like formula. We can also write that 5 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1. Okay, so this is divisor, this is divisor, this is dividend, and this is quotient, and the last is called remainder. Okay, so we can represent this division using this formula. So this formula is nothing but dividend equal to quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder. Now using this equation, if we know 3 of these values, then we can find the fourth value. So either you know the quotient or the divisor or the dividend or the remainder, you can find the next value. So let's see solve some of the examples. The first one says that, so I am writing here this equation so that we can use it. So n is the number can be represented using quotient into divisor plus remainder. Now what is least number must be added to 2020 to obtain a number which is divisible by 19. Now divisible by 19, so here divisor is divisor is 19. Okay, now we want that how much number should be added so that it is divisible by 19. Divisor is 19. Now dividend is 2020. So dividend is nothing but total number. So we can say that 2020 is equal to Q into 90 plus R. So if we know the R, then we can know the value, how much value should be added so that it is perfectly divisible by 19. Okay, without the fraction values. So we have to just do the simple math like 2020 divided by 19. So 19 multiplied by 1. Next is let take 2. We cannot do the multiplication, so take the 0 also. Now put 0 here. Now 120 and 19 here, so 19 multiplied by 6 is equal to 114. So what is the remainder here? Remainder is 6. That means if we divide this 2020 by 19, then we have remainder 6. So either we can remove the 6 from the equation, but here they ask for how much number should be added, what is the least number. So to find the least number, just do the subtraction of 6, that is remainder from the divisor. So 19 minus 6 is equal to 13. We have to add 13 into the equation for the divisor, sorry, dividend. So 2020 plus 13 is equal to 13. So now if we do the division of this, it will be perfect valid and this will give us remainder 0, 0. So least number that must be added is 13 here. Okay. Now let's see the another example. On dividing 551 by a certain number. So here divisor is given, dividend is given. Dividend n is 551. We get 5 as a reminder. R is given 5 and 91 as a quotient. So Q is given 91. What is the divisor? We have to find divisor D. So let's put all the values into formula. Q into N plus R. Now put our values here. N is equal to 551 is equal to Q is given, quotient is given, that is 91, multiply by N. We want to find N. This is a divisor plus R, that is 5. Now just do this calculation. So I will transfer this 5 to left side of the equation. 551 minus 5 is equal to 91 multiplied by D. D is the divisor. Now this is equal to 546 is equal to 91 multiplied by D. Now just transfer this 91 to the left side. So here it is in the multiplication. So transferring this to the left side, it will go into the division. So 546 divided by 91 is equal to D. So 91 is equal to multiply by 6 will give us 546. So here D is equal to 6. So D is the divisor. So if we divide 551 by 6, then 91 is the quotient. Okay, and the remainder is 5. This is the answer.